flash in my eye. Ow! It hurts. Alright, I'm ready.
Are you okay? Did he bite you?
No. His ear went like...
Francis, I need to see your dancing skills. Let's show this to Miss Major, and then she'll see how wrong she was in her dance competition. Look at those legs. I think that went a little wrong. Let me zoom in.
I'm back. I'm alive.
No, you're not.
Time to model.
Oh, yeah.
Look at this desk. Pure.
I have no idea what kind of that is.
Okay. Pure.
Something.
Oak wood desk with a beautiful varnish. And this chair. Beautiful retainer cases. And this lamp. It's 500,000 years old.
Like
Very delicate with
the
it.
fat ass cat.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is my second lamp. The first identical one, freaking shithead here knocked it over and broke it.
And straightener. Perfect for straightening hair. Ready? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. It's beautiful. It can fit a lot of hair. And this stuff. Set me up mousse. It smells so good.
Squirt some, like in your hand. You're gonna love it.
Shake it.
Yeah, and squirt it in your hand.
It grows. It grows as it's in her hand. What do I do with it now?
You put it in your hair.
Why? Look at it. It jiggles.
It just dropped on.
I put too much. Too much right here. It's so itchy. Does this make your hair hard?
Maybe.
It's everywhere.
That's the whole point. I hold your hair in place.
I don't want it in place.
She's a big. She's a big egg. You have to get some on the underside of your hair, like underneath your ponytail. See, you used it up, right? Don't put it on your ponytail. Your ponytail.
Hard as a rock. I don't like this stuff. Oh well, I'll make my hair like a rock.
Oh my gosh.
It's gonna hurt to take out.
You gotta jump on the